Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So WhatsApp have added one new feature that you can reserve your username in a WhatsApp. So that you don't have to share your number. Just by sharing a username, you can chat with someone over a WhatsApp. Your number will be not visible to them. So right now it's available for many users and you can reserve your username now. So how to do that, I will show you in my mobile screen. So once you will open your WhatsApp, you have to go to your profile, and here under accounts you will see the option as username. You have to click here a username, and here you have to click on create username, or you select it use Instagram username. So for example, I will click on create username, and for example I will use same username what I have in my Instagram. So here you can see this is my another Instagram page, and you can see this username is available, no one have reserved, and I will click on next. So after clicking on next, so this username has been uh, reserved. So once I will click on confirm, so this user name will get reserved. Okay, and in a few days, like whenever they verify or whenever it's available, they will let you know and you can start using this feature. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.